Alright, so today I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Tascam DR-10L. It's a micro-linear lavalier microphone. It's essentially what you would put on a person that you want to interview or capture audio from. It's not wireless, so it's less likely to suffer from interference or other issues. As you know, I was using the Rode Wireless Go 2 for the last season, and unfortunately it failed at one of the most critical times, and so I decided to upgrade to this style of lavalier microphone that's less likely to have those similar issues. And I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you. It just came in the mail today, so I'll show you what's in it. So let's go ahead and open the box. It is the DR-10, the black version. Depending on how this goes, I'll likely be buying another one in a different color, likely the white, so that way whenever I'm at a wedding I can easily wire up mic the bride with a color that's complementary. So that's the receiver, I guess. Manual. It comes with a USB 2 cable. It came with an added audio microphone, if you will. And I've heard really good thing about it. So there you go. And this little thing screws into the jack right here to minimize the chances of it disconnecting from the device itself. So this is the clip. That's the microphone windbreaker, whatever you call it. That's the clip that you hook right here, so that way you could, attach it to a belt or inside jacket pocket. And oh, they give you a little cute little bag to keep everything neatly together. So that's pretty much it, guys. I wanted to share with you. I'm likely to do a full performance review once I've had a chance to actually use it. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully in the next few weeks I'll show you how it went. All right, thank you.